Chrome 3, standing by.
Chrome 1, standing by.
Chrome 4, standing by.
Chrome 2, standing by.
Chrome 5, standing by. I've got a diagnostic lock in the device. Lock tool kits and repair formation.
Look at the size of that thing.
Cut the chatter, Chrome 2. What's the ETA on disabling the write protection?
I'm not a repair tech, man. What screw is it?
How should I know? I'm in sales.
Did you try and plug in the battery?
Could be pass-through holes.
Look for one with little bumps.
They all have little bumps.
Nobody asked if I was standing by.
Too late. Security measures active. Accelerate to priority customer service.
Buy me some time. I'm gonna check the help guides.
Roger that. I'm gonna cut across the touchpad and try to locate the port.
Let me try this one.
The pods are with you, young CBP employee. But you are not in IT yet.
Watch your back, Chrome 5. Device coming in above you.
Can't diagnose him!
I'm on it.
Nice fixing, Chrome 2. It's getting a little unstable out here, guys. Where are we on that write protection?
Will you quit it? I'm trying to see if there's another screw under the heatsink.
I'm telling you, it's the battery.
We used to work with each other in shipping, man.
When I left Chromebook Parts, I was the learner. Now, I am the master.
Director.
Close enough. Anyways, the battery.
Are you sure?
Search your video tutorials. You know it to be true.
Any day, guys.
Good. Good.
Dude. We're in developer mode.
Alright, guys, let's close it up. We're going in full throttle.
Use the source, J. Type root, J.
You're the narrator from the videos.
No, I'm not.
An elegant tool for a more civilized era of computing.
Everything seems to be working great. Finally, I can stream. Lesson plan again. Let me just give this connection a retry.
Retry not. Undo. Or undo not. There is no retry. That one didn't make any sense, did it?